Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download GarageBand on your Mac. So the first thing that you're going to do is open the App Store, and usually on the App Store, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see GarageBand under the top free apps. So you're just going to click on it, and if you don't see GarageBand in the top free apps, all you have to do is click on the search tab and type in GarageBand. So now GarageBand is free, so you don't have to spend any money, which is nice. You just need to make sure to have 197 megabytes of free space on your computer, and when you're ready to download, all you have to do is click here. For me, it's written something else, but if you've never downloaded GarageBand, it should be written download. Alright. Once you've downloaded GarageBand, what you need to do is click on Go, and then Application, and GarageBand is going to be in your application folder right here. So now I'm going to double click on it if you want to open GarageBand. Now you're going to go under GarageBand and Sound, and you're going to download all of the essential sound and also all of the available sound to make sure that you can use GarageBand with all of its function, to make sure that you have all of the loops and the instrument inside of GarageBand. As you can see, these two options are blurred for me because I've already downloaded them, but if you've never did, you should be able to click on the two options without any problem and download all of the additional content that you need.